Hi, this is Tiffany, and you reached my channel Success Without You is a Fail. And I wanted to come to you guys to formally introduce myself to the YouTube network. I think it's so rude to go into someone's house without introducing yourself. So I think I owe it to you guys to give you a little bit about me, to tell you what this channel will consist of, and what you guys have to look forward to. And hopefully you will rate, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started. And don't mind me, I just got the shower, so I need to put on some lotion because my hands is action. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to speak about what my channel will consist of. Well, my channel will be basically what a lot of YouTubers are doing, especially the women, which is like speaking of makeup, hair, hauls, different aspects of just womanly things, men things, whatever the case may be. My channel will consist of anything that I feel like I want to talk about that day. That's what I plan on doing. If I do a tutorial, I may speak of something that I'm going through, or maybe a friend is going through, just talk about something that I know that some people may be going through themselves. While I'm doing like makeup or hauls, just randomly speaking about things. I do want to do tutorials, and I may start doing on my iPhone. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to set up my laptop with my either camcorder or my camera. So I'm just trying to figure out what I really want to do, especially how the setup is going to be since I'm here in my crash pad. Other than that, the videos will just be a lot of what other people are doing. I mean, it won't be anything different other than the fact it's me. And I may do things different than anybody else. I mean, although I'm putting on makeup, I may do techniques different. Everybody's different, but it's all the same. And hopefully you guys subscribe and you enjoy my channel. I will give like advice. So if you guys have any questions and you want to, say, hey, Tiffany, I got a question. What do you think about this? I don't mind giving advice. I don't mind giving my opinion. Do you have to take my opinion in consideration? No, you don't. But just ask a question and I will answer it. It is what it is. Like, I'm grown. I'm grown. Trust me, I'm grown. So I don't mind giving advice. And that's what I mean. Like, I want my channel to be just as normal. I'll do vlogs. I would do like a lot of vlogs, but it won't be that much. It may be some of them, like some of the things I do on the road or when I'm working, but nothing too much to like overly do things. I want to kind of go through the whole steps of how to build my channel, because like Meek Mill says, levels to this shit. So I'm going to tell you 7 things about me so that you guys can get somewhat of an opinion of who I am, and maybe revisit my channel. Who knows? I don't know, but here is one of the things about me. Obviously, my name is Tiffany. Second, I'm a flight attendant. Third, I'm a flight attendant for a charter company. It's semi like a major airline, but we fly sports teams. We fly very wealthy people, whether it's business, musicians, they're dancers, anything. Anybody who has a lot of money that wants to fly and not deal with the regular airlines and the airports, that's who we fly. But majority of our flights are, they consist of sports teams. Soccer, baseball, football, basketball, college, NCAA, NBA, NFL, just all of that. Yeah, so that's where I fly. Is it fun? Yes. The fourth thing is it's fun. I love it. I love it. I love it. Some of the players are kind of rude. Some of them are gamblers. They have a real addiction to gambling. Some of them do a lot of drinking. But I'm not going to call people out, but all teams do a lot of things. You have some, I think the teams that's like in college, like the NCAA teams, they're more, how can I put it? They're more organized and more, what's the word? I'm like going blank. Trained. I use trained for right now because I know it'll come to me. But they're more trained, like they're more disciplined. Thank you. Thank you. They're more disciplined than a lot of the sports teams. I've had a baseball team that's very disciplined. They started out, and then towards the end of the day, they started drinking. It was on like popcorn, but it was fun. Like, I enjoyed myself. They didn't get overly rowdy. They didn't do too much. Yes, they try to talk to you. Yes, they try to get you to their room. But one thing I'm not is a groupie. Those days has never been and would never be. I've had players follow me around on the plane. It ain't like I can run from them. We're like 40, 50,000 feet in the air. But I've had them try to come on to me. I've had them try to invite me to the room, the married ones and not married ones. And I just talk about sports. I love sports. I love sports. So I talk about sports. I let them know, listen, this is not what it's going to be. I'm not with that. Like, I'm here to work. If something happens outside of that, it will. And that's not likely. Because in my mind, I think in my mind, I'm thinking you trying to turn me into a groupie. And then I go to thinking, well, if somebody see me and I'm on a vlog or on some type of website, yeah, I seen so-and-so taking a homegirl to a room. I don't know who she is, but no. I got respect for myself, for my parents and stuff like that. So I don't play that groupish crap at all. Trust me. I do not play that group of crap. No professional player can say, oh, I took her to the room. Oh, I took her out to dinner. Oh, she came with me and a homeboy. None of that. None of that. Trust that. The fifth thing is I have no kids and I've never been married. I've been engaged twice. The first one, I went through a domestic violence situation with him. Almost died. I went through a horrible situation. Maybe later on in my videos I can tell you guys about that. I don't mind sharing my story, but that definitely was a no after that. And the second proposal, he waited too long. By the time he got his shit together, I was like, I'm out. So now he really wants to get married. He's like really on my jock, but we've been separated so long. It's like I just want to be a friend. I feel like if I can wake up every day and not worry about if I heard your voice, then I think I'm kind of over you. If I don't care about hearing and talking to you and I can go a day without talking to you and I can go a week without talking to you, you're not in my heart like you used to be. So, yeah, I've been kind of throwing hints, but he's not getting it. So, anyway, the sixth thing is my friends say I give really good advice. I think I do because I'm a level-headed person. I'm a Libra. Do I believe in all that astrology stuff? Sometimes I read it and I need to hear some of the things that's being said. But I do give good advice because I think about that person. I think about the other person. I've always thought about other people's feelings. And I love to think about what may happen if. And it's kind of a blessing and it's a curse. If I'm in a situation, I kind of think about, well, if I do it this way, this would be the end result. If I do it that way, this would be the end result. So sometimes I prevent myself from getting hurt. And sometimes I kind of push myself out of happiness, push myself away from it. So I'm trying to differentiate between the two and try to level it out. So other than that, I do give good advice though. I really do. I really do think about people's feelings and I think about how somebody would feel. I just don't jump on a female bandwagon like, oh, he a dog, girl. Yeah, he a dog. No, I think about what made you feel like he's a dog and what did you tolerate to make him be a dog. It's just a lot that I go through that I think about. Like, it's not always the man or the woman's fault. Last, I'm a good friend. I'm a really good friend. I love friendship. I believe in friendship. I respect friendship. My parents, they are friends. They taught me how to be friends, and I love being a good friend. I love being there for you. Sometimes I may get missing, but it's not because I don't care about you. It's because I'm working or I'm trying to go home and see my family, or I go through my own depression because like right now I'm based in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm not really happy where I am. So I go through those moments where I just want to sit in the house and watch TV all day long and I really don't want to be bothered. So I go through the motions like everybody else because we're human. We're all human. But other than that, I am a good friend. I really am. And last but not least, I think I'm cool. Like, I'm cool. I'm funny. You may not see it right now. I'm still getting used to it. I'm still trying to get comfortable with being in front of the YouTube community. And I'm trying to stick to it. Right now, I'm just doing all my videos on my iPhone. But I am trying to stick to it because, like I said before, I've been trying to start this channel since last year. And I've had a lot of people come to me about, you know, makeup and doing tutorials and, you know, coming over and I do their makeup and stuff like that, or, you know, do a makeup on a video so they can come and look at it and do it step by step. So I've been trying to do this channel for a long time, and I'm proud of myself because I've actually recorded 3 videos already, and here I am on my 4th one. So I'm actually trying to put forth the effort this time around because I'm really, you know, into this YouTube thing. I think I have something to, you know, bring to the YouTube community, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. And let's see, there's not really anything else to talk about right now. I really want to give everything away. Maybe later on I give you like 50 or 20 or 30 facts about me, but I'm just me. Like I said, if you have any questions, concerns, issues, opinions, things that'll make my channel, you know, more exciting, things that, you know, if you, Tiffany, I like you on this angle, Tiffany, you speak too fast, because a lot of people say, Tiffany talks so fast, so I'm trying to slow down. I go through those motions where the words like go out of my head because I'm not used to speaking so slow. I like speak really, really fast. Like I read fast when I'm doing my demo on the plane, and I have to give you like an example of that one day. But I'm trying to speak slowly so you guys can understand me. But it was nice meeting you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy my channel. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful evening. I'm about to go get my dinner for tonight and my lunch for tomorrow. I have an overnight, and I try not to eat out as much because I do eat out a lot and I know how to cook. But I've been doing a lot of eating. I need to quit that. Yeah. But it's a couple things that I want to bring to your attention later on in other videos. I may do it when I come back. But you guys have a beautiful day, and I want to give you a view of my makeup look. It's very neutral. I have regular eyeliner on, just a little bit of highlight, a little bit of the bronzer in my eyes. As you see, some really thick eyeliner, like a cat look. I have on red liner and Lady Danger by MAC. So it's like a red, it goes from red to orange. You can't really see the effect that it has, but it's very pretty. So there you go. That's my makeup look for today. And you guys have a wonderful evening. And right now I'm looking all crazy. But anyway, have a beautiful day. And thank you for visiting my channel once again. And talk to you soon. Bye.